I guess I will do a video on this since I'm out here now. Told Alicia I really didn't want to do this, but out here at the rehab property, and look what happened. Folks quick, man. Came and got the unit just that quick, and you can see we had the bars and everything over it.
This was completely lifted up when we got here.
Yeah, that was gone. But not only that, let's go on the inside. They got in. They got it. And as soon as I saw this stuff on the floor,
We know.
got the furnace. Boy, I promise people do not want people to be great out here.
People don't care.
They do not care.
You see you doing good hard work and then they just come strip it from under you.
Right.
That's all right. These things happen, unfortunately, a part of the journey.
Yeah.
It sucks, and we're left to clean up the mess. But
Yeah, and unfortunately, yeah, that's gonna be like a $8,000 thing that we got to take care of. But whoever gets the house now, at least they're gonna have a new HVAC system. But we got to make sure we get this thing secured. Man, I didn't think they was gonna get that over here in this neighborhood. It don't matter. If you in Memphis, they gonna get them units. That's crazy.
That is crazy. I did not come down here expecting to see this.
Right.
Get this one.
Okay. All right, guys. We had to show y'all that part of the business too. Don't try not to worry about it too much, but it is what it is.
That's what it is. I'm feeling right now, man. I don't feel good.
It's crazy, man. Super crazy. Rehabbing houses, man. Rehabbing houses. Crazy. And this had to happen just within the past. Probably since the last time I was out here.
I put my sign right here. You did the ozone machine just last Sunday.
Yeah. And then
this is 5 days from now?
Well, I was out here again within a week, but anyway, man. Keep on pushing. All right, we're gonna file a police report, see what the insurance say about this, and keep it pushing.